4 methods to fix bleeding of textures. So the first thing we can do is increase the margin of the texture. So we have here the 64 by 64 texture, and in Photoshop you just make it bigger, 256 by 256. As you can see here, our texture is bleeding if we zoom out. Then we can zoom out. Other than that, in certain cases, we can disable the mipmaps. Though that's not always recommended. Though it's okay if the texture is small in size. If these two options don't fix the problem, then you can use a square texture mask to hide the unwanted parts. You can also build the square programmatically, this way. And once you have the square, you can use the mask to hide the unwanted parts, like this. You build a square, and then you subtract the texture. And then you can head it to other texture using linear interpolate. You may need to use the node saturate. If all fails, you can also use the step. Though keep in mind that the bigger the number, the more detail you will lose. Just plug the step from the alpha to the linear interpolate alpha. Thanks for watching.